We'll guide you through how to use the features of Wix to create a stunning website. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to wix.com and log into your account. Once you're logged in, click on the Create New Site button. You'll be prompted to select the type of website you want to create, like a blog, online store, or portfolio. Choose the option that best suits your needs. Next, you'll be asked whether you want to use the Wix ADI or the Wix editor. The Wix ADI is great if you want a quick setup, as it automatically builds a site for you based on a few questions. However, if you want more control over the design, click on Choose a Template to access the Wix editor. Once in the editor, you can start customizing your site by selecting a template. Wix offers hundreds of customizable templates, so take your time to pick one that fits your style. Click on Edit to open the template in the editor. Here, you can drag and drop elements like text, images, and videos onto your page. To add new elements, click on the Add button on the left sidebar. You can add text, images, galleries, buttons, and more. To adjust the layout, click on the Layout button, where you can modify columns, rows, and even adjust the spacing between elements. Don't forget to make your site mobile-friendly. Click on the mobile icon at the top of the editor to switch to mobile view. Here, you can adjust the layout specifically for mobile devices. Once you're satisfied with your design, click the Preview button at the top right to see how your site looks. If everything looks good, hit Publish to make your site live. Remember, you can always go back and make changes even after your site is published. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.